bit of Punjabi, I know a lot of Gujarati, but South Indian language का मेरे से कोई लेना ना देना ना कुछ. So that was the most difficult part. I was like, hey, Baba, so entire time, and in Indian I play a girl who talks non-stop. So I was like, क्या जरूरत थी to make this girl so talkative? I'm just going on chabat. That too in Tamil. It was very difficult, but it was enjoyable because again, one of the biggest directors, actors, everything. And so therefore I didn't continue for too long in regional cinema. But they are very disciplined. They go as per the schedules and everything is right on. And I'm a very punctual person. आज मुझे बोला 3 बजे तो 3 बजे डॉट मैं तैयार
Very punctual, actually.
So वो बहुत एक अच्छी एक कहते हैं ना, it was a beautiful beginning that sort of just set a discipline and put me in order for the rest of the career and journey that was to come, I guess.
I think they have great discipline there. What you want to
Absolutely, absolutely. It's not like जी करेंगे ऐसा नहीं होता. चलो, it's like that.
So, Urmila, you know, it's usually said an industrialist's son becomes an industrialist, a doctor's son becomes a doctor or doctor. And per se. But we also know what we hear from the outside, that there's a lot of Bollywood exists with a lot of godfathers, a lot of people who take care of people walking in. You had neither. How much we researched on you, you had no one holding your hand walking in. So you think there were a lot of struggles because of that, or is actually the same picture what we see from outside? Do you actually need a godfather to walk in?
No. You don't need a godfather. I am a Chalta Firta example of that. There is Akshay Kumar, there is the one and only greatest Shah Rukh Khan. Having said that, it does help. Like 1991, when I was introduced into movies, there were 17 new girls and boys also introduced in the movies. About 15 of them were somebody's daughters, nieces, भांजियाँ, ये वो. एक मैं ही थी जो एक बेसिक से लॉ मिडिल क्लास मराठी घर से आई थी, जिनको घर में डॉक्टर्स है, लॉयर्स है, बैंकर्स है, फिल्मों का कोई दूर तक लेना देना नहीं है. So all I can tell you all, which I don't think I need to tell you, is that if you have the ambition and if you have the will and the strength and the courage to make the decision, then you can go a long way in your life for sure. And I'm the biggest example of that. So it does help because where our struggles sort of, they kind of finish, theirs begin. So it's like that simple. बहुत सारी चीजें as an outsider, वही सारी चीजें समझते बहुत सारा वक्त निकल जाता है. In establishing yourself, in understanding, like simple. I come from a family where my mother till date hasn't put any cosmetic on her face, let alone any makeup. और मैंने अपनी पिक्चरों में जो फिल्में आपने देखी है, जो गाने अभी आप देख रहे थे, उस सब में मैंने अपना मेकअप खुद किया है. तो मेकअप हो, कॉस्मेटिक्स हो, कोई भी चीज़ पे वहाँ से लेके इकोनॉमिक्स और फिलोसफी और पॉलिटिक्स और साइकोलॉजी सब चीज़ों पे मैं बात कर सकती हूँ. So it's a journey. It's about
Don't you think things have changed now?
No, I don't think so. In fact, I think more and more people from the film industry are coming, which is great. And I'm not saying they don't work hard. They also work hard. Working hard, किसी को नहीं छूटा है. And also, let's not forget, it is the audience. मराठी में उसे जनता जनार्दन कहते हैं. Meaning the audience is the God. So that is the truth of it all. So it is eventually the audience. जिनको वो पसंद है वो आने बोलते हैं ना, अपन पब्लिक है पब्लिक, जो अपने को पसंद हो स्टार नहीं तो उसका पैसा डब्बागुल बोलता है.
How true is that actually? You walk your own road.
So from joining the Indian National Congress to current association with Shiv Sena, how do you navigate the two different worlds of entertainment and politics?
See, it's very simple. I never ever thought I would be in politics. अगर politics की बात इधर इस रूम में हो रही है तो मैं उस रूम में पाई जाती थी. Because I used to think कि यार ये क्या है, और मुझे politicians भी समझ में नहीं आते. मुझे समझ में नहीं आता है जैसे कि एक एक्टर होता है, अभिनेता लोगों के प्यार पर अभिनेता बनता है और अभिनेता बनकर they find their success, glory, everything due to the people. Similarly, the leaders become leaders due to the people. They are chosen, they are elected, they become ministers and everything else because of people. So I have always had this problem that how can they forget the very same people who have voted them and who have made them into the stars in that arena. So that happened by fluke again, but it was definitely coming out of my social commitment towards my society. Like I come from a family where from my childhood I have never really celebrated birthdays and all that. मेरे birthday पे भी my parents used to give charity को पैसा जाता था और हमें बताया जाता था कि आप लोगों को कोई कमी नहीं है, आप लोगों को जब कपड़े चाहिए जो भी चाहिए मिलता है, but there are many people out there who don't have the same privilege. So we need to be doing that for needy and poor people. So I grew up in a family like that. And I have a lot of concern about lots of people in the same society who are not as privileged as all of us are. So my journey into politics started with that. But having said that, I didn't get the kind of response or the experiences that I was probably looking for. And therefore I thought maybe I'm not cut out for this. So currently I'm not with any party. However, the reason for which I got into politics continues. That is my commitment towards the people of India, no matter which part of the country they are and no matter where they are. I mean, I have gone to army camps or CDK. So there are many people who need that, and I feel God has been kind to me, and my people have been so wonderful to me and made me a star from a normally simple girl. So I owe it to them. So in my capacity, whatever it is that I can do for them, I will continue to do. And that is how it is right now.
Excellent. It's for the people. Always for the people. It doesn't matter.
So, Urmila, you've been honored with so many awards and accolades throughout your versatile career. So, any recognition which is close to your heart and holds a special significance for you?
My back to look at you. Very early in my life I realized, like most other things, even awards are not like beyond a point something that you are. For me, the ultimate award is what people on the street, what everybody sitting in the room will think or not think about me. So awards are important only up to a point where you get them, you feel happy for the time being, but there cannot be anything bigger than madam. आज के दिन रुक जाएं, कल बात करें जो चल रही है. उनकी भी कुछ important बातें आज ही चल रही. So I just feel that it's the people's recognition that is important. आज मैं कहीं पे भी दुनिया में जाती हूँ, कनाडा में मुझे रोका है लोगों ने, जैसे इन्होंने अभी कहा एक हसीना थी. People have told me with the names of my character. भूत के बारे में बताया है, कौन के बारे में बताया है, पिंजर के बारे में बताया. मुझे याद है जब पिंजर फिल्म की ट्रायल में गुलजार साहब को बुलाया गया था, तो शो खत्म हो गया. And the lights came on, and we were not putting the lights on because Gulzar sir was crying so much. He was weeping, he was just crying profusely because he's from that era, and he could relate to जो पूरी त्रासदी दिखाई है, partition की. He could relate to all of that, and that's what. So I think ये सारी चीजें, how you count them in an award. So awards also beyond the point लोगों ने लिए होते हैं, तो उसको आपको ज़्यादा seriously नहीं लेना चाहिए. Above all, the award is people's प्यार, affection, and their affinity towards any star actually.
Well said. So, Urmila, we've noticed how much of a research on you, and we've been talking about you all the time. You've spread yourself thin. I mean, you've done thrillers like Ek Hasina Thi, you've done socially conscious. We've been talking about Pinjar for the longest. Very socially relevant films. You've done emotional dramas, you've done Leslie, you've done Kalyug. Saw them all, read about it. But what do you think? What genre are you very comfortable with? Or you feel this is what I want? Or you think people tend to put you into those and this is what Urmila wants? Do you think there's a particular one what you
For 30 years they tried to put me into some slot, and now finally they have given up on me. They're like, यार ये सब कुछ कर लेती है. So I think the media in the 90s couldn't handle that. I was just busy doing something and something and something new all the time. where others were busy into one genre. There have been many actresses that you will remember for doing the same and same things. I mean, good for them, they are also fantastic. But actually beauty about life is, जब कहते हैं ना कि अगर ऐसे ही सब खाना अच्छा होता तो एक ही थाली आती ना, बुफे क्यों लगता? So my career has been like a buffet. It's been like कि भैया ये भी है, वो भी है, वो भी है, वो भी है. जिसको जो पसंद है वो लेते हैं और वो उस उर्मिला को पसंद करे. But honestly, for me, I remember I was doing some film and with Ajay, I think Diwani or something, and the director came to me and said, "आपने कौन जैसी फिल्म कैसे करी? आपको डर नहीं लगा? What will happen to your image?" I said, "No, I have full trust in my audience, and I think it's they know that if she's a good actor, we'll expect something better from her every time. So it's my job to just keep on trying to do different things." So I was just trying to do that, and I was having a great time doing that. And so it's been an absolutely awesome journey with these different kinds of roles and different kinds of cinema. So it's very difficult to say any one thing that is close to me. But yes, glamour does come easily to me after so many years. It's like really easy because I feel either you have it or you don't have it. And I don't think the clothes you wear or the lipstick you put, it's about the attitude that you have. It's about the personality that you have. So I would just tell everybody to just be chilled out and wear what you want to wear, do what you want to wear. But just have a personality that will lighten up the whole room when you walk into the room. Like look at this lovely lady sitting here and some of you sitting there. Seriously.
Wonderful. I think
Really
the
well
most
said.
versatile program ever.
Ever. We've been only reading about you all the time. Oh my God, okay, this also. Oh, okay, this also. Fantastic, really.
So now coming to the most vital part of today's event. So financial liberty is the cornerstone for women empowerment. And Urmila, you have earned it through your unparalleled and what a talent, and I'm sure the incredible hard work which must have gone into it.
I look at it from this perspective, to be honest, that I think not only financial liberty is important for the women because the word financial के साथ liberty अपने आप ही आ जाती है, but because it gives them a sense of their own being, इसलिए वो ज़्यादा that's why it's very important. It's not necessarily that you should be defined with the money that you make or don't make, but it does make you feel a certain way about yourself, and that is the most important thing. First, when you feel great about yourself, then only can you make other people feel great about you, and that I think comes deeply from the financial liberty that independence that you give yourself, and so therefore I feel it is extremely important for women to become financially independent. And not only that, I feel to earn money is one thing, and to learn to do or to know what to do with that money is another thing. Like my father has been a banker, and I got to know about so many things about banking so late in my life, and I have no shame in accepting that. I was a very good student. मुझे 86% 10th में मिली, 12th में distinction मिला. I have been a distinction student all my career. One of the few actresses who actually finished the graduation. So you are talking to a well-literate person. Having said all of that, I didn't know what to do with that money. I was just earning. But what I'm trying to say is that it's very important for you to teach your daughters how to take care of that money, how to invest them. What is it all about? जैसे today also एक स्कूल में shares और debentures का mathematics में चैप्टर था, तो मैंने वो ऑप्शन के लिए भी निकाल दिया. आज तक ऑप्शन में पड़ा है. I've still not really learned a lot of things. And being an actor, वैसे भी मेरा वो financial sense उतना तगड़ा है नहीं. I'm a very hard person. Having said that, मुझे लगता है it's very necessary to teach our daughters how to take care of the money that they have made also. How to, further invest it and further make it bigger and larger. So that's why women, whenever I see, and I have said this, I remember at the time of when I had done Pinjal, that I feel a woman at the back of beyond of a village also is as empowered as a woman who's sitting as a CEO in a multinational company. Simple. For the simple reason that that woman in that much money is running the whole house. She is doing all of whatever. She's making the whole house run. Also, और कोई अपनी अपनी ड्यूटीज कर रहा है because वो अपनी ड्यूटी कर रही है. But today the point has definitely come where women need to come out of that comfort zone if they want to make an impact and if they want to grow and feel greater and bigger about themselves. So, along with learning to make money, it's very important to know what to do with that money and how to, increase and whatever that money has with time.
Girls should take note of this. Girls, when you go back.
Absolutely, absolutely. And all the ladies should tell their sisters, daughters, and friends कि भाई तू ये नहीं कर रही है तो तू इस